Sharia is an Islamic legal and moral system derived from the Quran and the Sunnah of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Its primary objectives are the protection of religion, life, intellect, family, and property. Contrary to misconceptions, Sharia is not limited to criminal law. It also promotes justice, honesty, accountability, social welfare, and economic fairness. In Yorubaland, the application of Sharia for Muslims can contribute to peaceful coexistence by providing a framework for resolving family disputes, inheritance matters, marriages, and business transactions according to Islamic principles. It encourages moral discipline, respect for human dignity, charity, and the protection of the rights of both individuals and communities. The success of Sharia inspired economic principles can be seen in places such as Dubai, where Islamic finance plays a significant role in economic development. Dubai has actively promoted an Islamic economic and Sharia-compliant finance services while becoming one of the world's leading commercial and investment hubs. Similarly, Malaysia has developed one of the world's most advanced Islamic finance industries, demonstrating the Sharia-compliant economic principles can coexist with modern economic growth and innovation. It is important to note that the prosperity of countries such as the United Arab Emirates, Malaysia, and Brunei is not solely due to Sharia. Their success also results from good governance, investment in infrastructure, education, trade, and effective institutions. However, Islamic values such as justice, trustworthiness, prohibition of exploitation, and ethical finance have contributed positively to their development. Therefore, the call for Sharia in Yorubaland by Muslims should be understood as a constitutional exercise of religious freedom and a desire to practice aspects of Islamic personal and civil law. When implemented through law and peaceful means, Sharia can promote justice, social harmony, and ethical conduct among Muslims while respecting the rights of others. Sharia does not compel non-Muslims to become Muslims or to practice Islamic act of worship. Historically, non-Muslims living under Muslim rule were generally allowed to maintain their own religions, places of worship, and personal laws in matters such as marriage and inheritance. In Yorubaland, the establishment of Sharia court for Muslims is a constitutional right recognized by the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Sharia court primarily handle matters relating to Islamic personal law such as marriage, divorce, inheritance, and family issues involving Muslims. Non-Muslims are not subject to Sharia in these matters and cannot be compelled to appear before a Sharia court against their wishes. They remain free to practice their religion and resolve their legal matters through the appropriate customary or conventional court. Therefore, the recognition of Sharia in Yorubaland is not about imposing Islam on non-Muslims. Rather, it is about guaranteeing Muslims the constitutional right to practice aspects of their religion within the framework of Nigerian law, while respecting the rights and freedom of people of other faiths. The recognition of Sharia in Yorubaland is a matter of religious freedom and constitutional rights, not an attempt to impose Islam on non-Muslims. Just as adherents of other faiths are free to practice their beliefs, Muslims are entitled to conduct their personal affairs in accordance with Islamic principles. A proper understanding of Sharia promotes mutual respect, peaceful coexistence, and the protection of the rights of all citizens, regardless of their religious background.